The Supreme Court appointed special investigation team today handed over its report of the closure report against Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi and 62 others to the main complainant Zakia Jafri. The court had directed the team to provide the copy of the report to Zakia since the SIT had given a clean chit in the case and found no evidence to prosecute either the Chief Minister or 62 others for their role in the 2002 riots. Zakia, the wife of ex-parliamentarian and Congress party leader Ehsan Jafri, who was burnt to death in the Gulbarg Society massacre.
जी पूरी फाइलों को पढ़ लेगी, सब मालूमात कर लेगी और उसके बाद में फिर हम बाद में आपको सब जवाब देंगे।
ठीक है?
बस
सबका
फाइलें सब मिल गई,
सबका आ गया। We have received a copy of the SIT's closure report. And we have received 68 files which are containing roughly, we are told, 22,000 pages. We are told by SIT that this is everything that has been given to the court has been given to us, and we've been given 2-3 days time by the court to verify and make sure that all the documents are there. On 10th of May at 11 o'clock, we will confirm to the court that in fact everything is there, and after that we will ask for time in July to argue out our protest petition.
NDTV's Rohit Bhan joins us now for more on this story. Rohit, it's been a long wait for Zakia Jafri as she has been fighting the system. There's been order coming in after order. And of course, last month we saw that final closure report which gave Narendra Modi and 62 others a clean chit. Now getting the SIT report, will that enable her to take this further?
Well, it's going to be quite a long legal battle still ahead. In fact, today marks the beginning of that battle because now she is officially being given, formally being given the copy of the SIT's closure report. Now they will have to, the counsel for Zakia Jafri will have to go through those voluminous reports, 23,000 plus pages, and also 550 odd final report pages. All that counsel for Zakia and our legal experts, they'll have to go through these reports and then find out certain loopholes in these investigations, which is to be brought up before the Metropolitan Magistrate. That will be their line of argument. What will basically form the basis of their argument will be one, Raju Ramchandran report, and also the testimony given by suspended IPS officer Sanjeev Bhatt, because as you know that the Raju Ramchandran's report is now in public domain. He's in fact disagreed with the SIT on certain points, and in fact said that you cannot completely disbelieve Sanjeev Bhatt, though in one of the paras he has in fact taken a dig at the officer himself, saying that he could have been accused of strategizing, but that doesn't mean you don't agree, you don't disbelieve him completely. So obviously the amicus had left room for further investigation, but it's evident from the closure report that the SIT has not considered the opinion of the Raju Ramchandran, and instead said that there is no prosecutable evidence against the Chief Minister, hence the closure report. So obviously in the days to come, in fact, as Tista in that soundbite mentioned that they will try to argue the case before the Metropolitan Magistrate in July. They will try to study this report for the next 2 months and then bring up their contentions before the court. And also then the court will have to hear the SIT also on what they believe about the loopholes, reported loopholes which have been, which the Zakia Jafri counsel claims are there. So obviously after hearing both the sides, then the court can come to a conclusion whether to accept this closure report or not. So obviously really some time still it will take before we come to a conclusion on, before the judge comes to a conclusion on the SIT closure report. So obviously for Zakia Jafri it has been a long battle. She's been fighting this case for the last several years, and for many more months she will still have to wait. But yes, the legal battle is on now, given that she has a copy of the report. Now they can build up their arguments on why they believe that SIT didn't do its job pretty well.
Thank you, Rohit, for joining us with those details.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news in your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download it ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.